In this video, I am going to talk about a all-in-one client portal which is going to give you the agency level management to manage all of your clients, their work, projects, team members, tasks. You can accept the payments in the one time or the monthly subscription, and the services you are going to create with the platform you can also add in your website here like this. And from this page I can just show the visitors and accept the payments for the services, and I can also add the clients in the CRM here. That is the really easy process. And with the clients you can also give them access for the login with the password, so they can log in the dashboard and see what are their work process. So this tool name is the agency handy, and this is going to give you the access of features to a agency level. You can also white label this platform with your own logo, color, and you can add a custom domain. So all these platform features you can also add in your domain name with the custom branding and the logo. So right now this tool is available on the App Store starting from the just $69. And if I go to the plans and features, you can see we have the multiple users limit. So users means the owner, how many the owners or the team members you can add here. Okay, because the clients you are going to add, you can create the login details for them and they can easily log in. So that is the no limit here. Okay, so right now this is the really good platform if you are looking for an agency management software to manage your work, team, and the products in this single platform. So without wasting any more time, this is Basant here, and let me give you this platform demo and the tutorial how you are going to use it here. So once you got its lifetime deal, by the way, link is given in the description, and there's also the free bonuses I am giving out. Make sure you check out the description. This is the dashboard you are going to log in here, and first you have to add the services which you are going to sell out. So simply click here on the service creation option here, and after that this is how you are going to create the service. Let me open up the edit option and show you your service name, the description, the pricing, whether the pricing will be the one time or the subscription, and the pricing of that service here. Then click on the next, and this is going to show you the packages. If you want to sell out this service as the package like the 1, 2, 3 kind of this stuff with the different pricing, you can also create that. And let's click on the next and also publish this service here. So simply how our service is created, and this is how it's looking like. What I can do, I can also add this service that we have created in my website. Let me show you how. Simply click here on the share URL, and now after that go to your website, use the iframe embed code and add your service page URL that we have just copied here. Okay, so this is the service page URL I have copied, and this is how it is going to show up in your website that is ready to sell out the services. This is the really engaging thing I have showed you right now. So make sure you like this video for this amazing stuff. Okay, now let's back to the here. Once our service is added, what we can do, if we have already a client and or we have sell out, that client will be automatically added in the client portal here. But if you have already a client before using this platform, how you can add that client in this platform? So simply click here on the create client, and after that it is going to ask you this information like their image, name, the company name, email address. The higher the information you are going to fill out, this is make you more relevant with the information here. And let me give you the one more example. Suppose client is onboarded, but the he is asking about the negotiation. So what you can do, you can create here the proposal. Okay, so here you can create the proposals, and this proposal will be automatically to send out that client here. You can see this is showing right now pending. Once that client will going to accept this proposal, it will be the completed here. Okay, so that thing you can also create. Now let me talk about the other stuff. So if I go to the leads, here you can add the leads. Then after adding the leads, you can send out your service proposal. So any of those leads accepted the proposal, they will turn into the clients and start showing up in this client section. Now this is the order section. You have created the services. Okay, so if anyone is going to buy the services, those will show up here in the order section. This is the subscription. If you are selling the subscription for your services like the monthly basis or the quarterly basis, those subscriptions will show up here. This is the really good part. Not only you can sell out the one-time services, but also the subscription based. Then we have the forms. So we can create the forms for the multiple works like onboarding the client, showing the information, asking the information, that kind of the stuff we can easily create here. Proposal I have already talked about. This is the ticket. If your client having any issue, you can generate a ticket here, and that ticket will be showing up here. So you can solve them out using this one. And this is the team section where you can add your team members with the different permissions. You can see this is the role permission here. So these role permissions you can add into the multiple team members here. Okay, so this is the best part for the what team member you want to give the full access or really specific access, you can decide it here. And this is the invoicing section where you can start creating the invoice or send out the people. Okay, so this is all in one agency platform for you to start working with your clients, whether you want to add the projects, add the services, you want to accept the payments, you want to send out the proposal, invoices, all this stuff you can do it here. Now let me go to the integrations and show you what are the things you can connect for the payment. We have the Stripe, we have the PayPal, we have the also manual banking, and this is the webhook option available. Okay, so this is the thing. Now in the file section, okay, in the files you are basically going to group the files that you are using, like for your all orders, for your tickets, and this is the configure workspace. So I have told you that you can make the white label this platform according to your brand here. So that thing you can do here in the working configuration. So in the appearance you can change the color or all this stuff, and this is going to be help you to make in your custom brandings. For example, right now is the purple. I'm going to make it a little bit pink here, so I will select that, click on the save, and now the color will be turned as the pink. I can also connect my custom domain here. Okay, really good part in the signing portal. So this is the signing portal that is going to show up in front of your customers. So right now you can see welcome back to the Basant's agency. You can add your custom text here, you can add the logo. Okay, from here you can add the logo or image. This is the subtext, and click on the save, and now this is the custom portal information is available for your clients when they are going to log in. Okay, then we have the API access, and this is the email. So you want to send out the email, so you can set up it here with the SMTP, and you can also add the templates. So these templates or emails will be the send out to your customer or the client when they have purchased a service with you. Okay, so that's how you are going to use this platform. This tool is really mind-blowing for managing your digital agency, and right now available with so much affordable pricing, starting from the just $69. You can get the access for your lifetime. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to check it out, agency Hindi, link is given in the description with all the bonuses. Make sure you also check them out. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.